Bretagne.
How can a child save us all if he's sentenced to die? Tell me, Nikolaos. Tell me before you let our son go.
Where we begin does not define who we will become. Before you, I see a path. Built by friendship and family, love and loss, war and bloodshed.
You were sent by the gods to protect this world.
You carry the blade of Leonidas. Act like it. As you write your odyssey across the mountains and the seas, remember, the fate of Greece journeys with you.
Merci. Je suis Jonathan Dumont, le directeur créatif d'Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, c'est plus qu'une aventure. C'est vraiment un voyage de jeu de rôle. Vous allez explorer sur Terre, sur la mer, un des environnements les plus influencés, qui a eu le plus d'influence, la Grèce. Alors, le début de la démocratie, le début de la médecine, l'art de révolution et bien sûr énormément de guerres. Beaucoup de conflits entre Sparte et Athènes, les guerres du Péloponnèse, qui ont vraiment fait la division du monde grec. Dans ce monde de contrastes et d'opportunités, qui a été créé par les dieux, il y a une bataille entre l'ordre et le chaos. Voilà où commence votre aventure. Vous êtes un simple mercenaire qui a été rejeté et vous devez prendre en charge une quête incroyable pour sauver votre famille et devenir le héros grec dont on a vraiment besoin. Nos équipes au Québec et tout autour du monde ont passé les 3 dernières années à mettre toute leur énergie, leur passion, leur engagement dans ce projet. On a continué à transformer Assassin's Creed dans une expérience RPG fantastique, un RPG dans lequel vous allez non seulement faire une Odyssée, mais votre Odyssée, qui va être forgée par vos choix et vos actions. Et le premier choix que vous allez faire au début du jeu, c'est choisir votre personnage. Alexios ou Cassandra. Et vous allez jouer ce personnage pour tout le jeu. Vous partagez le sang d'un héros de Sparte légendaire qui a une arme très spéciale.
Your turn.
Leonidas' spear.
You're old enough now. My father's spear holds a certain burden, but you're ready. Think of Leonidas. He had great courage, and he made a great sacrifice. You share in his blood and the strength he possessed.
The broken spear of Leonidas gives you access to
La
powerful
lance cassée de
range,
Léonidas vous
combat,
permet
and stealth
d'attaquer
abilities
de
that you
loin
can unleash
et ça
on your
vous
enemies.
débloque beaucoup de compétences, notamment de camouflage, que vous allez pouvoir utiliser sur vos ennemis. Et pour la première fois, nous avons vraiment changé la façon dont on parle ou qu'on a pour raconter une histoire. Vous pouvez maintenant vraiment interagir avec l'histoire comme jamais auparavant.
So, tell me, were you able to resolve the situation without bloodshed?
The rebel had guards. I relieved them.
Interesting. You thought the life of a thief and a murderer was worth more than that of soldiers doing their duty.
I wasn't even thinking about him, to be honest.
And what of the rebel?
He should be halfway to Mykonos by now.
Oh, really? You let that lunatic run loose? Are you sure that was wise?
I'm not sure approaching you was wise.
Our choices are like ripples on water. They seem tiny and insignificant at the beginning, but they can become devastating tidal waves by the time they run their course.
Pendant les prochains jours, vous allez pouvoir découvrir ça par vous-même à l'E3 avec notre démo jouable. Et pour ceux qui sont chez eux, voici une séquence de gameplay complète. Profitez bien de l'E3.
Such a beautiful island.
Ah, Mykonos Island, built from the corpses of giants slain by the legendary Iraklis.
Read me the note again.
Eagle-bearing Mystios, that's you. We are a small but fierce group of rebels who'd pay you handsomely to help us overthrow our Athenian oppressors. A warrior named Diocles fights with them. None who face him survive. Please, Mystios, our people are dying. Signed, Kira.
What did your informant tell you?
Word has already spread of you sinking those ships. There's a price on your head.
Whew, that didn't take long.
There's also word of Spartans landing on Mykonos.
So, I'm here to find Kira, who wants me to kill Diocles.
An Athenian ally.
Who's at war with Sparta.
And don't forget the bounty!
Business as usual, then.
Gods protect you, Cassandra.
Thanks, Varnavas. But they'll be too busy protecting Diocles from me.
We've been spotted! Go! I'll handle this!
Fight them for all you're worth! Ella. mercenary. This can't be good.
The mighty eagle bearer! I'll be rich when you're dead!
You're chasing your own death, mercenary!
You won't escape me!
You want my head? Come and take it!
You can't defeat me!
You really should have left me alone. Varnavas was right. Spartans have made themselves right at home. I'm looking for Kira.
What do you want with her?
The mercenary who bears the eagle of Zeus. You got my message.
It said something about paying me handsomely.
Ha! Mercenaries.
Athenians have enslaved our people for too long. Help us free Mykonos from their grasp, and you'll have more drachmi than you can carry.
I'm here to kill Diocles, not go to war.
Which is why I sent word of a rebellion to you and Sparta.
My men are ferocious in a ground assault, but we're outnumbered.
And Diocles fights with the fury of Ares.
Join us in battle. If you're half the warrior Kira says you are, we'll grind these Athenians into dust.
All right, Spartan. I'll fight with you. But Diocles is mine.
To battle then.
Bois de Bretagne.